Hello everyone, today we will be looking at how to use Gelato on Shopify for print on demand. Step-by-step guide in 2025. Here's how it's done. 1. Set up your Shopify store. Before you can integrate Gelato with Shopify, you need to have an active Shopify store. If you haven't created one yet, you can sign up using the link provided in the description. Shopify offers a free trial, so you can explore its features before committing to a paid plan. Tips for setting up your Shopify store. Choose a niche that you are passionate about. Pick a memorable and relevant store name. Select a professional theme that aligns with your brand. Add essential pages like About Us, Contact, and Shipping policies. 2. Install the Gelato app. Gelato is a print-on-demand or POD platform that allows you to create and sell custom design products without holding inventory. To integrate Gelato with Shopify, go to the Shopify App Store. Search for Gelato Print on Demand. Click Add App. Follow the installation prompts and wait for it to complete. Why choose Gelato? Global fulfillment centers for faster shipping. Wide range of customizable products. Seamless integration with Shopify. 3. Connect Gelato to your Shopify store. Once Gelato is installed, you will need to connect it to your Shopify store. Follow the setup prompts within the app to complete this step. You'll be asked how you want to handle orders. Automatic processing recommended. Orders are automatically sent to Gelato for fulfillment. Manual processing. You approve each order before it is fulfilled. Choosing automatic processing saves time and ensures seamless order fulfillment. 4. Add a new product. Now that Gelato is connected, it's time to add a new product. Open the Gelato app within Shopify. Click Create New Product. Choose a category. Example, men's clothing, t-shirts. Select a specific product type. Example, classic or heavyweight t-shirt. Choosing the right product. Consider factors like material quality, sizing options, and available color variations. Review customer preferences and market demand before finalizing your selection. Number 5. Design your product. Gelato provides a user-friendly design editor that allows you to customize your product. Add layers to create depth and unique effects. Choose background colors or stick with classic white. Upload your own designs or select from Shutterstock images. Adjust placement options. Back, inner neck, outer neck, left sleeve, right sleeve. Add text, shapes, and layouts to enhance your design. Design best practices. Ensure high-resolution images for better print quality. Use simple and clean designs that appeal to your target audience. Experiment with different fonts and layouts for a unique touch. 6. Generate mockups. Before publishing, use Gelato's mockup generator to preview how your design will look on the product. Why mockups matter? They help visualize the final product before printing. You can use them for marketing and promotional purposes. Mockups enhance the product presentation on your Shopify store. Download mockups to use in product listings, social media, and ads. 7. Optimize product details. A well-crafted product description can increase conversions. Use AI tools or manual editing to refine your descriptions for clarity and appeal. Key elements to optimize. Title. Keep it clear and descriptive. Example, premium cotton heavyweight t-shirt. Custom design. Description. Highlight material quality, design inspiration, and care instructions. Measurement system. Choose between metric or imperial. Tags and collections. Use relevant keywords to make products easier to find. 8. Set pricing. Pricing your products correctly is essential for profitability. Gelato provides a breakdown of cost. Product cost, base price of the item. Shipping cost, varies by location. Retail price, what customers pay. Profit margin, the difference between the retail price and total cost. Tips for pricing effectively. Research competitor prices to stay competitive. Factor in marketing expenses and Shopify fees. Other discounts or bundle deals to attract customers. 9. Publish your product. Once your design, pricing, and details are finalized, click Publish to list the product on your Shopify store. This makes it available for customers to purchase immediately. Post-publishing checklist. Check that the product appears correctly in your store. Verify pricing, images, and descriptions. Run a test order to ensure smooth processing. Number 10. Manage orders and integrations. After launching your product, monitor order fulfillment through Gelato's dashboard. Features available in Gelato. Place a sample order. Test print quality before selling to customers. Access product catalog. Browse new products to add to your store. Manage orders. Track status and customer information. Integrations. Sync with Shopify and other platforms. Branding options. Customize labels and packaging. Available in certain plans. Number 11. Enhance your Shopify store. To increase conversions, consider integrating additional Shopify apps, marketing apps, tools for email campaigns, social media promotions, and retargeting ads, conversion optimization, apps that help with upselling, pop-ups and abandoned cart recovery, analytics tools, gain insights into customer behavior and sales performance. Number 12. Marketing and selling your products. Once your products are live, focus on driving traffic to your store. Proven marketing strategies. 1. SEO optimization. Write blog posts related to your niche to drive organic traffic. 2. Social media marketing. Promote your products on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. 3. Paid advertising. Use Facebook ads and Google ads to reach our targeted audience. 4. Influencer collaborations. Partner with influencers to increase brand exposure. 5. Email marketing. Build an email list and send promotional offers to subscribers. 13. Expanding your business with niche products. One of the best ways to stand out in the crowded POD market is by focusing on a specific niche. For example, Taoism theme apparel. Great designs centered around Taoist philosophy. Eco-friendly products. Sell sustainable, organic clothing with nature-inspired designs. Pet lovers merch. Offer t-shirts, mugs, and accessories for pet owners. By dominating a niche, you can establish brand authority and attract a loyal customer base. And that's it. That is how to use Gelato on Shopify for print on demand. A step-by-step guide in 2025. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. We hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.